There are 5 Black-owned restaurants in Washington, D.C. you should know about and patronize. Number 1, Ben's Chili Bowl. Located in the U Street corridor, this restaurant is a landmark in D.C. The restaurant has been around since 1958, serving their most famous chili, chili dogs, and chili fries, as well as homemade coleslaw, potato salad, and homemade cakes. Even President Barack Obama has eaten lunch there. Number 2, Sankofa Bookstore and Cafe. This restaurant on Georgia Avenue is half cafe and half bookstore. They serve breakfast all day and serve sandwiches named after African American film directors like Spike Lee, Billy Woodbury, and Charles Burnett. The restaurant is right across the street from Howard University and offers good food plus a cultural environment in which to relax. Number 3, Uprising Muffin Company. Their specialty is homemade muffins baked daily, including cranberry orange, almond bliss, lemon poppy seed, pumpkin, raspberry, peach cobbler, just to name a few. Their muffins contain no preservatives or artificial anything. It's located on 7th Street, close to the Metro. Number 4, Policy Restaurant and Lounge. Located on 14th Street in the U Street corridor, this restaurant serves some of the finest meals in D.C., including lamb sliders, green beans, chicken steaks, pork belly, and short ribs, served with hip-hop and dance music. They are also open for brunch every Saturday and Sunday. Cool and sophisticated, this is one restaurant you have to check out. Number 5, Black Saltfish Market and Restaurant. Located on MacArthur Boulevard, Salt is considered a premier seafood restaurant. Their fresh fish lineup includes oysters, mussels, shrimp, swordfish, and tuna. If fish isn't your thing, try New York strip steak. The desserts are unbelievable, like chocolate peanut butter crunch cake, key lime pie, and creme brulee. To find out about more Black-owned businesses near you, visit us at www.blackbusiness.com. Stay in the black with Black.